Hi YouTube, this is Joe, your High Desert's Aquatic Genius. I'm here over in Apple Valley at a pond that, if you've been through my videos, 3 years ago I did a pond, and this is the same one in Apple Valley. I got a call, the pump went out, which is really rare for these types of pumps that we use. We love these little pumps that we've had, and they just don't go out. So I thought I'd come and check it out. I took the motor apart, I pulled it out of the skimmer, I took the whole entire motor apart. I pulled off the face, I pulled out the magnet, I took my Dremel. You can use a Dremel tool with a little brush. I cleaned off the rust spots and cleaned the pump up really good. It still didn't run, which didn't make sense. So I thought, okay, well, let's look at this a little bit more. So I was following the cord to see just what might happen. Sometimes, you know, animals chew through things, you know. I've kind of seen a lot of things, so I just don't assume a pump went out. I kind of chase things down. But the customer here was telling me they just had this concrete poured. They're really excited. A hot tub company is going to be coming out, and their concrete guys had put the concrete in. Well, what they did is, we can't get the cord out right here because they poured the concrete on top of the cord. That's really lazy in my book. But all of this cord was all wrapped up, because if you see this caution tape, I put caution tape over all of my electrical just because, well, nothing got potholed, nothing got happened here. So this is what happened. If you look at the pump cord, see right there, as soon as I discovered, I pulled the cord up right here, I just knew those guys probably put a stake through it, a concrete stake. That's really typical. I don't know why anybody would ever put concrete right here without potholing. You gotta be safe. You have to be safe, especially around electrical. So this could have filled up with water, been plugged in, and if the customer would have walked out here barefooted, she would have been completely electrocuted. I see this all the time. It's a very bad deal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and I'm going to rewire this end. I keep extra ends with me because I unfortunately see this a lot. So I'm going to put a new end on here and plug it in, and we'll see how it does. Alright, so we're back, and all I did is I just took and I put a new end onto it. If you see that end right there, I keep those. I buy them from Harbor Freight and Home Depot whenever I'm around, just so I have a bunch extras. But if you are tracing problems on your pump, sometimes just don't assume it went out. The pumps are kind of expensive. If they're treated right, they really don't go out. So if you chase the electrical, troubleshoot, this pump came right on, and it saved several $100s for the customer for just by chasing the cord instead of just assuming it went out. But also, if you are having problems, maybe think about if there was some construction done on your property. Maybe chase down and figure things out. I hope this helps you, everybody. If you have any questions, you can always call us at 760-244-0678 or aquaticgenius.net. Talk to you soon.